you guys, welcome back to my channel. So Mother's Day is around the corner and I need a quick simple idea. So I'm going to take this plastic flower pot and I'm going to build a little planter for it. I'm just going to be using some scrap 1x6s and 1x2s, and we're going to see if we can come up with an awesome planter for our mothers. Stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing I did was I measured just beneath the rim right here on the flower pot, and it is 5 inches. So basically I'm going to create a box with my 1x6s that has an interior measurement of 5x5. Let's start with that. I decided to miter the ends for my planter box for a more modern, sleek look, but you could definitely just do butt joints and it would also look great. Well, if you were watching, I probably made that a lot more difficult than it needed to be. But we did end up with our box, and now I'm gonna give it a little bit of a sand, and we'll probably put a couple supports in the bottom for the bottom to rest on for the planter, and then we'll add some fancy legs. Alright, so I have my box all sanded down, and now I'm going to add the legs with my 1x2s. So my boxes are, like I said, a 1x6. It's 5.5 inches. I want it to be standing up a little bit, so I'm going to be cutting my legs at 8 inches long. And then I'm going to do a 45-degree angle on one end of each leg, and I'm going to do that 4 times for 4 legs. So let's start with that. After sanding the legs, I decided to go ahead and paint them black, and then I lined up the mitered corner to the top of the planter box and glued and nailed them in place. And then after the legs were put on, I went ahead and gave everything a couple sprays of clear coat just for extra protection, and it was as simple as that, you guys. If you wanted to, you could go ahead and skip the plastic planter and put a bottom on your box and then just plant directly in that. However, I wanted this to be an indoor planter, and I also chose to use pine rather than an outdoor rated wood. So that's why I opted for the plastic planter to go inside. A cute tag and some flowers later, you got yourself a really nice Mother's Day gift and a planter that can be reused for the future. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really simple project and hopefully it was useful to you. If you like this kind of content, please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.